And it is UL listed without any overcurrent protection in it. And there you can see where the power comes in, and it follows the runs to the circuit board with no fuse in it for overcurrent protection. You can see there's a jumper wire right there, which is just a piece of wire, and then again a jumper over here, and there's no protection. Okay, so I'll take this off here. Just pushing on that little tab and pull it out. I'll squeeze in on the cord piece here. That side in. Be careful not to pinch the wire. There it is. And we'll just open this up, and we'll bring this in so that the black wire can come over. And I'll bring it in some more because it's got to go back. So we'll put it about right here. So I'll squeeze it back in again like it was. And I'll just push it in until, see how it'll pop on the inside of those tabs there. Pull these wires back here, we'll split the wire off. Cord. Now see how this is marked white here? That is the neutral because the wider prong up here. So you always want to put your fuse on the live side, so we're going to see where our block will go. So if we put it right here, you know what, we're going to have to drill a hole and mount it down here. So we'll cut the black side. Make sure it's all going to fit where we want it. We'll strip our insulation off. This is a 16 gauge, or this is 18 gauge wire. Twist our strands together. use a 4060 soldering wire here. Okay, so we'll tin our wires, we'll flux them. Put some solder on our tip here. Heat the wire up. And we'll do the same with this wire. Okay, so now we're ready to solder our wires onto this block here. We'll go in through the bottom here. I'll shape the wire with the pliers. Put some flux on the terminal there. Get some solder under my iron, and I will heat the wire in the terminal there. I'll turn it over. See the little hole there? I don't like that. So I'm going to take and get some more flux. Put some more solder on my iron. Okay, now I'll reheat this again. I'll let that cool a bit. There's a nice filled in solder joint, see it? And I'll do the same with this side. Go in the hole in the bottom. Take the pliers. Get some flux on the end of the wire there, of the soldering wire. Flux it both on the top and the bottom. Get some more solder on my iron there. Heat the wire and the terminal. There it is. I'll let that cool a minute. I'll turn it over. Here I got a nice full solder joint on both sides here. So we can go ahead and it'd be nice if I can mount this on the hole that's there. Okay, I think I'll be able to mount it on the hole that's right here. Good, I will. Okay, so we will close our flux up here. take another close look at our solder joint here. There's a good close-up look at our solder joint on the top and on the bottom. Okay, so we'll see if we can fit this in the hole that we have here. So we can bend our terminals up. And that fits there nicely. And we can plug this back in up here. And add a little more. Okay, so we'll put our screw through it with a nut in the washer. Sometimes you grab the wrong tool, so you have to go grab another one. Or just do it the other way. Hold it with your pliers and tighten it on the top. Nice and straight. I'm going to just do it with the pliers because I don't have time to go looking all over for it. Okay, so now we can take and tie this. What happened? Well, it's going to be tied up over here, so. Okay, so I'll fold this up. See that other wire right there that's coming in? So I'll make sure it's not bare anywhere. So I'll go down, fold it back over here, fold it in. Okay, so I'll show you why I put this fuse in. See the filament inside your standard house fuse? And see the fuse and the link inside this little half amp fuse? If one of these rectifier diodes go bad here, or a capacitor, or this transistor, or anything in the circuit goes bad, it can overheat this transformer. And while it's overheating the transformer, it could melt the line cord, and it could possibly start a fire in your house. So I'm going to put this fuse in. It says, I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to look at it. It says AGC 1 amp. This has two fairly big solenoids in it and has two motors, so if they both turn on at the same time, I like to have a little overage for the surge current protection, so I don't blow it unnecessarily. So that is how I put it in, but always consult with an authorized service center before doing so.